Cardano cost expectation for July 2024. At the outset, cost at 1068 rands. Excessive cost 1396, while low cost 1068. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 1175. Cardano cost conjectured toward the month's end 1239. Change for July 16%. Cardano estimate for August 2024. First and foremost cost at 1239 rands. Exorbitant cost 1538, while low cost 1239. The found the middle value of cost 1363. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 1437, change for August 16%. Cardano cost expectation for September 2024. First and foremost cost at 1437 rands. Exorbitant cost 1748, while low cost 1437. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 1564. Cardano cost figure toward the month's end 1634, change for September 13.7%. Cardano figure for October 2024. Before all else cost at 1634 rands. Excessive cost 1743, while low cost 1515. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 1630. Cardano cost figure toward the month's end 1629, change for October's on 3%. Cardano cost expectation for November 2024. Before all else cost at 1629 rands. Exorbitant cost 1629, while low cost 1335. The found the middle value of cost 15.7. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 1435, change for November 11.9%. Cardano gauge for December 2024. In the first place cost at 1435 rands. Exorbitant cost 1562, while low cost 1358. The found the middle value of cost 1454. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 1460, change for December 1.7%. Cardano cost expectation for January 2025. Initially cost at 1460 rands. Excessive cost 1587, while low cost 1379. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 1477. Cardano cost figure toward the month's end 1483, change for January 1.6%. Cardano figure for February 2025. Initially cost at 1483 rands. Excessive cost 1619, while low cost 14.7. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 15.6. Cardano cost figured toward the month's end 1513, change for February 2%. Cardano cost expectation for WARC 2025. To start with cost at 1513 rands. Exorbitant cost 1653, while low cost 1437. The found the middle value of cost 1537. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 1545, change for spring 1%. Cardano gauge for April 2025. To start with cost at 1545 rands. Exorbitant cost 1894, while low cost 1545. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 1655. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 1705, change for April 10.4%. Cardano cost expectation for May 2025. In the first place cost at 17.5 rands. Exorbitant cost 1736, while low cost 15.8. The found the middle value of cost 1643. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 1622, change for May 4.9%. Cardano gauge for June 2025. In the first place cost at 1622 rands. Exorbitant cost 2014, while low cost 1622. The found the middle value of cost 1785. Cardano cost figure toward the month's end 1882, change for June 16%. Cardano cost expectation for July 2025. Initially cost at 1882 rands. Excessive cost 2046, while low cost 1778. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 19.5. Cardano cost figure toward the month's end 19.12, change for July 1.6%. Cardano figure for August 2025. Initially cost at 19.12 rands. Excessive cost 2079, while low cost 18.7. The found the middle value of cost 1935. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 1943, change for August 1.6%. Cardano cost expectation for September 2025. To start with cost at 1943 rands. Exorbitant cost 1959, while low cost 17.3. The found the middle value of cost 1859. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 1831, change for September 5.8%. Cardano figure for October 2025. Initially cost at 1831 rands. Exorbitant cost 21.8, while low cost 1762. The found the middle value of cost 1879. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 1895, change for October 35%. Cardano cost expectation for November 2025. To start with cost at 1895 rands. Exorbitant cost 1895, while low cost 1568. The found the middle value of cost 1761. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 1686, change for November 11%. Cardano gauge for December 2025. To start with cost at 1686 rands. Exorbitant cost 2068, while low cost 1686. The found the middle value of cost 1843. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 1933, change for December 14.7%. Cardano cost expectation for January 2026. To start with cost at 1933 rands. Exorbitant cost 2101, while low cost 1827. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 1956. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 1964, change for January 16%. Cardano conjecture for February 2026. At the outset cost at 1964 rands. Excessive cost 2135, while low cost 1855. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 1987. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 1995, change for February 16%. Cardano cost expectation for walk 2026. At the outset cost at 1995 rands. Excessive cost 2169, while low cost 1885. The found the middle value of cost 2019. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 2027, change for spring 16%. Cardano estimate for April 2026. First and foremost cost at 2027 rands. Exorbitant cost 2410, while low cost 2027. The found the middle value of cost 2179. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 2252, change for April 11.1%. Cardano cost expectation for May 2026. In the first place cost at 2252 rands. Excessive cost 2252, while low cost 1956. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 2141. Cardano cost figure toward the month's end 2103, change for May 6%. Cardano figure for June 2026. Initially cost at 2103 rands. Excessive cost 2287, while low cost 1987. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 2119. Cardano cost figure toward the month's end 2137, change for June 16%. Cardano cost expectation for July 2026. To start with cost at 2137 rands. Exorbitant cost 2323, while low cost 2019. The found the middle value of cost 2163. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 2171, change for July 16%. Cardano estimate for August 2026.